it's a dwarf planet.
We did not kick it out of a solar system. We just said it's not a planet.
It used to be considered a planet.
Yeah,
it used to be, but like
it's not considered a planet.
We didn't kick it out of the solar system. It's still inside a solar system. Just not a planet now. It's a dwarf planet. There's a lot of dwarf planets. Today we are going to have a discussion on the recent discovery made by NASA of Gliese 12b, which is an exoplanet found in the constellation of Pisces. We are going to discuss about the future prospects and current discoveries made by NASA. We have total 5 members, and we will begin with the introduction.
My name is Aziz Khan, and I am currently doing O-levels from Crescent Council.
My name is Mohammad Zayan and my passion is math.
My name is Muhammad Isa Safdar and I'm currently O3. I have a very keen interest in astrology and the prospects found in different Earth-like planets.
My name is Invotion and I'm 9 years old and I have a great interest in astronomy, piano, robotics, electronics, math, science and more.
Hey everybody, my name is Al-Asim and my keen interests are music, robotics and engineering in general and artificial intelligence as a whole.
Okay, good. So the topic we're discussing is Gliese 12b. Who would like to begin?
Start off.
Okay.
Gliese 12b is a type of super-Earth with a mass of approximately 3.87 Earth's mass. Its orbital period is 12.8 days and its orbital radius is approximately 0.0668 astronomical unit. Its size is slightly smaller than Earth and it's almost the size of Venus. Its discovery date was announced in 2004.
Okay. So Gliese 12b was found by the TESS project of NASA, TESS, which is the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. It was specifically made to find planets that could maybe have alien life in them. Hence, it was able to identify Gliese 12b. Now, the reason why Gliese 12b is thought to have alien life is because it ticks out all the criteria that was set by NASA. The criteria being a planet should be in the Goldilocks zone, it should have perfect pressure and be close to a star, and also have at least a not too high but also not too low temperature, like perfect temperature. And all these things can be found in Gliese 12. It has an approximate temperature of 42 degrees, which is like it's not that high. So it's perfect for alien life.
42 degrees like overall temperature average पूरे year का, won't that be high?
I would like to differ that point थोड़ा सा regarding के Earth का average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Compared to the average of 42 degrees Celsius, the temperature on that planet is still pretty high for human life. At 40 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Celsius, moving up to 42 degrees Celsius, considering that planet or keeping it in mind, that planet could send serious heat waves and radiations towards the people living on it, if life exists there. Now, another factor acting upon this is atmosphere. We're not aware if there is atmosphere on that planet. अगर वहाँ का atmosphere exist करता है तो वो कितना dense है, वहाँ की ozone layer exist करती है तो वो कितनी dense है, वो कितनी broken है. All these factors imply on it. और अगर उसकी ozone layer is not in its best shape, considering कि Earth being further away from it, उसकी ज़्यादा बुरे हालात हैं.
Yeah, but like we're not gonna go live there. We're not looking for things that could hold human life. We're thinking of alien life. So it's not about we cannot go there at all. It's 40 light years away. It's about alien life. And according to NASA, if someone has, if a planet has a temperature between like the Goldilocks zone, which is not too high, not too low, then there can be alien life. And 42 degrees is not too high comparatively to other planets. So it's not supposed to be for.
Your point is we're not looking for human life,
Yeah, we're looking for alien.
but at the same time we're making efforts to somehow make human life possible on Mars.
Mars
when that other planet has more similarities to Earth and has a higher chance of life on it, why would we not consider having life over there if alien life does not exist there?
Because it's 40 light years away. It's too far.
Yeah,
It's an exoplanet outside the solar system. We cannot
Because
get it.
It's between Venus and Earth.
No. It's like the size is between Venus and Earth. It's
Yeah.
40 light years away. It's very far away. It's in the constellation of
See,
Pisces.
first of all, you can't even travel at that light speed. और फिर उसके बाद 40 साल बाद 40 light years फायदा चलेगा.
It's just like
Until
that.
unless a hibernation starts, like hibernation project starts, where we can make humans hibernate and like hundreds of years के सो सकते हैं.
It's 186,000 years humans can't survive.
186 of the human years.
Yeah, exactly. We cannot go there. It's a purely for observation, not for living. We are only looking at the planet to see if there could be more similar planets to like observe human.
So our star side we can't even like determine its atmosphere or anything, just the temperature and the size.
As planet is very dangerous because of Gliese 12 sun, because it has an explosion which can come on the Gliese 12b's atmosphere, which can destroy it.
One of its moons, Gliese 12b, has a moon which is made completely of ice. So the star of Gliese is very unique as it has some very, like I said, unique planets like Gliese 12b. So we don't know what could be there.
We are trying to terraform Mars, and then Gliese 12b just appears out of nowhere. Yeah, true.
So how, I'm curious, how did we determine
But-
like the temperature of these 12B?
Using tests.
How?
And
Maths,
GS
not maths.
How?
It's a satellite.
Of the
Satellite.
planet from
Using
the
a
sun.
satellite.
What do you mean using a satellite? क्या मतलब?
There are
Not
satellites
even
like
sat-
TESS
please.
and JWST.
Maths. That's it. The distance from the sun to the distance of the planet, we can determine the sunlight.
Exactly.
Its radiations, depending on the angle.
Okay. You can
And-
say that louder.
Okay, you're right.
Yes,
Okay. So one more reason why we humans cannot go there is because there are practically no chances of water being there at all. We have
Why?
found no proof at all of water being there. We just know okay, like the temperature is perfect for
Same
water
as
to form, but like we don't know if there's water
But
there.
researchers are interested if we can hold liquid water in potential life.
Yeah, potentially. So like, but we have not found any liquid water yet. So like, it's still
I had-
also like aliens are not really small green creatures. Aliens, by aliens we mean small bacteria or small microbes that may be on a planet. So like even a very small,
Those big-headed aliens too, like.
yeah, we won't find them there. We'll find like small microbes or bacteria if we do.
If
on
we
the
do.
planet. Yeah.
That would be.
I would like to add a point with the atmosphere one part that according to researchers and scientists at NASA, if atmosphere exists there, there is very high chance for liquid water to exist there.
Yes.
And if liquid water exists there, then oxygen exists there.
Then there's
Which would mean, okay,
life.
Just like giant yes. How do we like go there?
that sounds
Even
like
if life is
That
possible.
sounds like a you problem.
No, even if life is possible, what are we supposed to do?
That's just a you
Be
problem.
happy, life is possible there. Be happy.
No, if life is possible there, if something is possible, then it probably is there. That's like, we are not going to go there ourselves. There's chances of alien life being there.
Mhm.
We're not going to travel 40 light years.
So
to go
why
there.
not?
Why not?
But
Why not?
Yeah.
Like we as of now, we're not able to travel at that speed, but we do not know if there is life over there, and if there is life, it could be more advanced than our life. They might be able to travel to us.
They might be able to travel to us.
So we need to find better ways to send signals over
No, we need to form weapons to be able to defeat
there.
them.
Oh God, no! Why?
The humans
But
don't
why
know
would you
what
want
is
to start a war
right
What if the
away?
aliens are hostile?
This is what's wrong with your mentality.
yeah.
Yeah, aliens haven't even landed yet. We do not even have the confirmation for them to be here. You're attacking them already.
Why would
What if
they-
they're no? Calm down, fam.
No, why would intelligent
We can negotiate
Yeah.
in sign language.
Sign
language.
We can speak their language.
They're advanced.
If they're more advanced in this, I'm sure they are
I'm
translators.
maybe.
Yeah.
I'm sure they are translators.
I don't think they have any English books there to translate.
You don't know that.
And
It's
if
like the-
Gliese 12b was habitable, then why did orbital period 2.8 days?
12.8 days, yeah.
12.8
That's also a
days.
problem, 12.8 days.
Why is that?
Ours
Yeah.
is 36,
Yeah.
36.
And
Why is that a problem?
Okay,
It's
yeah,
still-
that's
it's
something
still-
problem.
it's-
But that's a
Is that a
problem.
problem?
It's like
Why is that a problem?
because it's close to the sun, and the closer you are to
But
the
the
sun,
atmosphere is okay, but the temperature is okay.
the closer you are to the sun, the closer the
Ali,
orbit
pressure-
circle is.
pressure-
The closer the
no,
and,
Ali,
and,
pressure
and also
problem.
faster you,
Ali,
the
pressure problem.
like
light
if
is
the
progress.
sun like reacts after an explosion happens on the sun, तो फिर like it will affect the planet.
Oh.
If something happens to Gliese, which is the star or sun of that particular planet,
Gliese 12.
Gliese 12, so it's something will happen to the planet as well.
So like what's the Mercury's like orbital period? Mercury's. I just want to see now the difference between its and Mercury's.
Approximately 20 days.
20 days.
Mercury's orbit is 88 days.
88 days.
88 days.
That's
The thing is, the human body and the human mind is adaptable. We were born here, and according to what we were taught and according to how we were raised, we know कि एक दिन में 24 घंटे होता है. If we were born on the other planets, if life existed, we would have adapted to that.
Yeah, that's true, but like the problem is not adapting. We can still adapt to 1 year being 12 days. Problem is that like it's just too close to the sun for our liking.
It's not too close. It can be too close, but it's not that close.
What if it's
difference,
movement
the
is-
difference between its the amount of sunlight it receives and the amount of sunlight that Earth receives is about 1.6%.
No,
Now that might seem less, लेकिन ये काफी ज़्यादा है, because if Earth was even a single percent closer to the air, to the sun, your glaciers would melt instantly. Greenhouse gases और इनकी बढ़ने की तादाद बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम से increase हो जाएगी. These include carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane gas, and
what if like its distance is not small, its speed is increase? What is that like? उसकी planet की increase ज़्यादा है, वो speed ज़्यादा है, speed, but उसका distance इतना छोटा नहीं है.
It's pretty bad now.
Why is that bad now?
Yeah.
You know, Earth is a pretty fast speed.
That's
Earth moves at a pretty fast speed.
Okay.
So,
So it still takes 65 days to complete one orbit.
So we could adapt to that as well if we're adapting to Earth.
If oh my god, if the planet moves faster around the star, the planetary pressure and it will increase and it will implode upon itself. और जो like हमारे काम करते हैं, उनका high pressure. Get it? So we can't live there at all.
We are not even going to live there.
Yeah,
you do know the amount of role that air pressure plays on Earth. अगर air pressure ना होता तो फिर technically life couldn't exist.
Pressure is the fourth major thing that a planet must have to get like a human life, which is not really very confirmed if these 12B has.
I'm not sure if तुमने Dragon Ball Z देखा हुआ है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर वो छोटे-छोटे hearts होते हैं ना.
Yeah.
The circular hearts. Those are there because उधर air pressure नहीं होता and you have in order to
Exactly. So like
exert air pressure, those houses are created और उन houses के अंदर air pressure.
this house is like roof खुलता है and you go inside them to like avoid the high pressure of the planet. The green वाला planet.
King Kai की planet
Green
से
वाला planet.
King Kai का planet
I think let's straight to talk.
King Kai का planet इतना छोटा सा है.
It's a cool planet.
It's been 12 minutes.
Venus came there.
Yes.
Came there.
A lot.
You talk there. It's like it's supposed to be like this.
So Gliese 12B, since its orbital period is 12.8 days, it might be like very close to its star, and this can be the like the high average temperature of it, and
Oh.
That's why it has a high temperature.
and yeah, it would get a greenhouse effect. It would be if it would be any further like Venus, it was used to have life, but then the sun changed a bit, and then it got greenhouse gases.
Because like Venus के atmosphere के ऊपर वो बहुत thick atmosphere है, इसकी वजह से जो the carbon dioxide and the gases they can't escape, उसकी वजह से जो उसमें temperature है that's very humid, इसकी वजह से temperature increase कर जाता है.
Venus में पानी भी नहीं है.
पानी नहीं है, that's why life is not possible on Venus.
It's a
First, it was habitable in the early solar system.
Yeah.
So
Like
like
Mars.
Gliese, if you go onto the NASA website
Mars is
and you search up Gliese 12B, you will look at the planet with a closer view. You should do that. So like if you look at the planet, it has three main colors: dark red, orange, and yellow. And the planet is classified into the rocky planets for that part because
That does not
it's
look
mostly. Huh?
That
We
does
do
not
not
look
know
heavy at all.
sophisticated.
What?
The colors do not look heavy at all.
Yeah, red, orange, and yellow.
And still, we do not know the surface. How is
Yeah,
the
what it's made of. It may just be made of gas and we will lose all hope of planets. Just like Jupiter's own.
Jupiter's a gaseous, like it's called
A
the
fun
vacuum.
fact to add here regarding solar system and the planets is that there are planets which Elon Musk on a podcast with Joe Rogan talked about if these planets, the ocean planets, I don't know if you're aware of
Yeah,
ocean
yeah.
planets.
Interesting.
जैसे Gliese 1214b है,
Yeah.
it's a different planet
Yeah,
like
yeah.
12b, लेकिन जो 1214b है, उसका सीन ये है कि it's an ocean planet.
Interstellar.
And उसकी वजह से वहाँ पर there is a chance कि life existed. और इस तरह के there are more planets जो कि which are just pure ice. totally covered with
Like
ice.
least square
उसका
of that
moon.
kind of thing. It's also it's a star of like least 12B.
Purely ice, ठीक है? वहाँ पर भी there is a chance life exists.
As long as it's
So
water.
the fun fact is that there could be other civilizations before us,
They could be, and they're extremely
light years before us.
Okay, so like one more problem here that we have with looking for aliens is
From
so like
the-
one problem with space exploration or looking for alien civilizations is the whole light year wali thing. Light year means how much time it takes for light to reach our planet from that planet. So now, for example, Gliese 12b, it's like 40 light years away. So if someone from Gliese 12b sees our planet, they will see it in like 40 years before the current time, which is 1984. So that is the problem. If we look at other planets, they are also like 40-50 years before the current time. So there is very much possible कि अब उसमें aliens हो, मगर पहले नहीं होते थे. And now as you look
And
at
vice
it,
versa कि पहले aliens हो
हाँ पहले aliens हो और अब नहीं
Yeah.
होते थे. So for example, if something is 2 billion light years away, which there are many planets, so we are seeing them like 2 billion years before the current time. So there is a very high chance कि अब वहाँ पर aliens हो, लेकिन 2 billion years पहले नहीं होते थे, इसलिए हम नजर नहीं आ रहे. So like that's a very big problem with space exploration as well.
And
Plus
it's-
एक और चीज कि there is a chance कि the way time works at our planet, time may not work like that on other planets.
another planets, because like time works differently in space as well.
Exactly.
Time is relative to like this.
Time हम लोग time differs from a country to a country.
हाँ.
We're talking about billions of light
Light
years.
years away.
That's
Just messed up. Also,
interesting, not messed
Interesting,
up.
messed up. A fun fact, like there's a specific planet. I forgot the name. If you look at it from there, if you look from there to Earth, you could see dinosaurs at that time because like it's that much years before.
Yes, that's
It's good.
I will
Cool.
do it a fun fact.
Yeah. Exactly.
So like,
Amazing.
what are the future prospects for Gliese 12b?
जैसे NASA का मैं ना CEO में बात कर रहा हूँ.
What are the future prospects we can like think about Gliese 12b? What do you think?
Gentlemen, what do you believe the future prospects of Gliese 12b could be? Enlighten us.
Least 12B could have many other bacteria or any other things if there is water. Water can exist because there are few facts stating that there is an atmosphere full of there's a gas of air around the planet, which can make human life possible.
If there's a
We're not
gas,
completely sure about the gas of air because we
It
are
is-
not. It's not completely sure.
Yeah,
it's
it's
a
not
theory.
completely sure,
It's
it's
a
a
theory. Because if it was completely true, then the theory regarding atmosphere existing, they would be true. Thereby water would exist. Thereby life would exist. There
otherwise the
are
podcast would have gone to like crash.
And this research was co-led by Dr. Larissa Palthrop of University of College London.
It was founded by the satellite called Transiting
Yes, and also
College London.
JWST, James Webb Space Telescope.
Yeah, James Space Telescope and Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. Mainly by transiting aliens. Exoplanet surveys.
Bestie.
Yeah. Exoplanet is a planet that is out of our solar system. Hence, the closest exoplanet is
The closest
is in Proxima Centauri.
yes, it's like how much? Light years away?
Four light years. Yeah,
4.23 light years away.
ये तो हमारे solar system का part.
Yeah,
It's
ask
not
the
a-
same
It's
question.
not an exoplanet, it's a dwarf planet.
But it's out of the solar system.
Exactly. So it's not a planet though.
What do you mean it's not a planet?
It's oh my god, it's not a planet, it's a solar system.
For
It's like
example,
kick-
there's a group of 4 friends. They kick the 4th friend out. 3 left. The 4 isn't dead.
Yeah,
Just
he's there,
like,
but
nah,
he's just not part of the friend group.
doesn't last.
Yeah, it's 9 to 8. Exactly.
In, you wanna add something?
No.
Pluto was kicked out because a voting was held and most people voted to make Pluto not a planet.
He can't.
It was just over its orbit. It's all because of Charon. It's completely binary to Charon. It made orbit messed up.
Exactly. Also, fun fact, in our solar system, there's also a meteor belt.
Yes, meteor.
Yeah, there's separately 4 planets, the inner planets and the outer planets. Yeah, man. The outer planets have the rings around them.
It's separated between Mars after Mars.
Do you know why Saturn has a ring?
Huh?
You know why Saturn has a ring?
Why?
We used to have moons, but the moons died. So now the broken parts of the moons are like formed.
Jupiter also has a ring, but it's very small.
Yeah,
So we can't really see it on the
Actually,
outside.
because Jupiter is a gas giant.
Yeah, and it's called the vacuum cleaner of the solar system because it sucks up all the meteors.
Yeah, it stops all the meteors from hitting Earth.
Yeah.
And also this is why it has like many moons.
Yeah,
And most of
a
them
lot of
are
moons.
like tiny rocks and
Yeah.
only just 4 are major.
Yeah.
There's a moon over there that's bigger than Earth, right? उसके बाद Jupiter
Jupiter is like was supposed to be a star, but
It failed. Yeah, it failed.
To move a little bit towards M, what's something you find extremely fascinating about the solar system?
Please help me.
Sounds very
It
dramatic.
discovered in 2024.
yeah, it was discovered just now, very recently.
Yeah, 5 days ago.
5 days ago.
I think that's the reason why we don't have any info on it except for like what it looks like and what it has. We don't really have some extensive info on it because it was just discovered. This info may of course differ in the future. So, like,
Exactly.
do not hold us accountable at all. Info may change. It may like have
Like Super Flash appears in our world and he's able to run speed, run
I want to
light
have
years, you know, like
intergalactic world.
zillions of light years.
I hope we can take
Travel multiverses.
I hope
But we-
I hope
but
we can
you-
have intergalactic wars with aliens.
Well, at this point, I guess all our topics and everything that we have talked about has come to an end.
Yeah, so as in conclusion, I think we would like to say that Gliese 12b has is an exoplanet which has a lot of potential. It may have alien life forms, it may not. We don't know anything yet, but it was like recently discovered. So in the future, we will be told like what are the new discoveries on it. So as of right now, this is a fascinating exoplanet.
I wish it does not feel like Jupiter.
Also,
I wish
James
Ali fixes his humor.
Okay, okay. It was funny, okay?
I wish Ali
Okay,
fixes his
it was
humor.
funny, okay?
I'll pray for you, John.
Also, JWSP was used for transmission spectroscopy. Transmission spectroscopy is used to study planets orbiting distant stars.
Yes, and like for in that test, the transiting exoplanet satellite is used to find if alien forms are inside it.
Yes.
Enough with that, I guess.
I just like that.
We just
Thank you,
ended it.
Eggnog.
Started the game.
Because Mars is 95%.
But Mars is like overrated. I don't
Yeah,
like
it
Mars.
has too much carbon
I
dioxide.
prefer Jupiter over Mars, but like we can't take on Jupiter.
Yeah.
It's pretty sad. I wish we could, but it's so cool.
Oh well, acha, Allah Hafiz.
I love this.
I love it.